Hola, chicos and chicas. Today we're going to be talking about representing unknown numbers as letters. Let me explain. If I were to tell you, to ask you, what number am I thinking of, you might say, I don't know. You're like, you're right, you don't know. But while waiting, we can use a placeholder for that number. For example, we can say that my number that I'm thinking of, we're going to say is n, okay? We don't know what n equals. But I have it in my head. And let's say I were to tell you, well, I'm thinking of the number 3. And then we would say, okay, then n equals 3. N represents the unknown number that's in my head. Okay? So n represents numbers we don't know. Okay? We don't know what they equal to. We don't know what n equals to. Okay? Another example would ask you, how many fingers am I holding behind my back? And you would say, I don't know. We can put a placeholder n until we figure out. We'll say he has n number of fingers. We don't know what n is though. Then I tell you, well, I have 4 fingers behind my back. And I would say, okay, then n equals 4. 4. See? N would be equal to 4. 4. Because I had 4 fingers by my back. And n was just used as a placeholder. As a variable. Okay? Now, in an equation, we could say n plus 4 equals 12. What is going on here? What is going on here? What is going on here? Okay, listen. N plus 4 equals 12. This means that some number, we don't know what the number is, but some number n, some number plus 4 is equal to 12. What number plus 4 is equal to 12? So we know what 4 is, and we know what they both numbers equal to. They equal to 12. But we don't know what this number is. To find this number, we can subtract 4 from 12. We could say 12 minus 4. No, oops. 12 minus 4 equals 8. Okay? 12 minus 4 equals 8. Which means that 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. So now we know what n is. N would be equal, in this equation, to 8. And this makes sense. We're able to find out what n is equal to in this equation by subtracting 4 from 12. Because 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. We had 12 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 pieces right here. And we were to remove 4, we'd have 8 left. So that means if we were to add 4 to these 8, we'd have 12. So if we don't know how many we have in an equation like this, we can subtract what we know on this side from this side. And I'm going to show you more examples in another video. But yeah, cool. N equals a number we don't know. Okay? And stay in school and bye.